Welcome to Digital Wisdom. My name is Bobby Thomas. Affiliate marketing plays an important role in online money making programs for the websites or publishers. Affiliate marketing also can generate relative passive income through commissions, sometimes considered as an ideal money making scenario for the publishers or content developers. Like finally, a successful affiliate marketing offers a potential to significantly scale your earnings without hiring an extra help. Means, imagine you have a website or you have a influence over social media, then you can use this power to generate more money using these affiliate marketing programs. So today I'm talking about Amazon Associates program. The Amazon Associates program helps content creators, publishers, bloggers to monetize their traffic, yes, web traffic. So, with millions of products and programs available on Amazon, Amazon Associates can use their link building tools and different widgets and with the help of Amazon, you can share the affiliate links using your maybe with your websites or your social media links or any other products. You can bring more sales on using the links, and it will, it will help you to generate more income. So to take Amazon affiliate program, just search Amazon affiliate in Google, and you can get this like Amazon affiliate. So affiliate program.amazon is the URL for to the website. So you can sign up and recommend, and this is the most 3 points when we talking about Amazon affiliate program. And so there are some frequent asked questions there you can go through there, like how does the associate program works. So like you can share products available programs on Amazon with your audience to customize link tools and earn money on qualifying purchases and customer action, like sign up for a free trial program, something like that. So how do I qualify this program? So bloggers, publishers, and content creators with qualifying website or mobile app can generate participate in this program. I'm not another level of affiliate program is there, Amazon influencer program. So I will talk about it in later in the another video. Sign up, how the sign up process. So sign up process. You can just using the sign up link. Then they will review the applications, and then the applications. Then we can join in the affiliate program. So you can join with the Amazon affiliate link, user ID and passwords. So right now, now I'm going to show all we I have already an Amazon affiliate account. So I will show you what are the things we can do with the Amazon affiliate dashboard. So this is Amazon affiliate dashboard. So after getting the approval, login with the Amazon associate dashboard. So there are so many tools available there. So imagine you have a website, then there is an option to add different type of widgets. You can select different type of widgets for your websites. It's very simple to select the Amazon widgets here. You can select the different categories, like maybe if you love to jewelry, then you can take the jewelry things there. And so you can select the category. Even you can add the search terms. Then you can select the size. You can change the color setting, etc. So after that, you can publish. You can copy the content. You can copy the ad code and you can put into your websites. So it's very simple to copy, create a widget for your website. So another thing is like that. So the banners, you can create the product banners. In Amazon itself, there is a chance to get Amazon banners. The only thing is you need to embed the code in the website. And when I talked, so you have to understand some tools with the Amazon Associate Program. One is like link checker. Imagine you added a link in some other sites or some other YouTube maybe with the YouTube video. So you can cross check your Amazon affiliate link if you had doubt whether it is connected with your Amazon Associates program. So yes, using the link checker is designed to check the tagging of your linked to Amazon.in. The only way to Amazon can track the referral through your associate ID or track it. So using the link checker tool is a easy way to help ensure that you have credited for all of your referral links fees. So that's you can, if you have any doubt about your Amazon links, you can make sure it's everything is redirected to your Amazon associate program. And other thing is side strip. The side strip let you build a associate links right from the Amazon page itself. So the side strips will appear on the top of the every page, and provide quick and easy access to our building links and sharing links in easy on social media. So imagine if it's very easy to pick the links. So go to Amazon, then you can see Amazon strip here. If you take some products from products from here, just using the text link, so it's very easy to get the short URL. You can copy the short URL or full URL from here. So it's one of the best tool to generate links in a easy way. Also there is a reports. You can see the earnings report and consolidated summary and all the and there are tons of help files associated with Amazon associates with the website. So you can go through all the help from there itself. So there is also influencers there. I will create another video for Amazon influencers program. Is something different from the Amazon associates program. I believe Amazon affiliate programs always help you to generate more income because e-commerce is getting more popular on in these days. Thank you for watching videos.